Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to give you a tour of the ukulele. I'm bringing up my ukulele really close to the screen so you can see it. That makes it easier for me to explain the parts. This part up here where all the strings come and they are connected to the tuners, this is called the headstock. Each of these is a tuner, and you turn it to make the string go sharp or flat. This little piece of wood that is white is called the nut. It keeps the strings off of the fretboard. You place your fingers on a fretboard. You put your fingers slightly behind each fret because the fret stops the string. You don't put it right on it because it'll buzz. We say there's a first fret, a second fret, a third fret, a fourth fret, a fifth fret. These dots are here to help you figure out where to put your hands. We have 4 strings. This is string number 1. It is your A string. This is string number 2. It is your E string. This is string number 3. It is your C string. And this is string number 4. It's your G string. We tend to number our fingers differently than we would on piano. This is finger 1. This is finger 2. This is finger 3. And this is finger 4. The thumb is not used. This little round thing here is called a sound hole. When we strum over the end of the fretboard. We have something at the bottom. This is called a bridge. The strings go over the bridge. It keeps them off of the fretboard and keeps them from buzzing. This is the front of your ukulele, and this is the back of your ukulele. Enjoy and happy strumming. Visit ukulele.io to sign up for free ukulele sheet music in your inbox every week. If you like this video, you can help us out by leaving a comment or a like below. And thanks for watching.